What's better than a platter full of chicken puffs that taste just like home? Today's recipe is a trip down the memory lane with flaky chicken puffs. So all those who are away from home, this recipe is specially dedicated to you all. So stay tuned, watch the entire video and let's prepare some golden flaky chicken puffs.
Here I have taken chicken thighs and I've marinated it with salt, pepper, ginger garlic paste and left it for 1 hour. Then I'm going to boil this and shred this into pieces. Heat some oil in a pan, and once when it's nice and hot, we are going to add in some chopped onions.
Once the onions are brown, you go ahead and add in the shredded chicken. Check and adjust for salt if required, but keep in mind that the shredded chicken already has salt.
Half teaspoon of turmeric powder.
Add half tablespoon of masala magic. If you don't have it, you can skip it completely.
Add 1 whole tablespoon of hot sauce of choice. This will just enhance the flavor even more. Add in some chopped coriander and then give it one final mix and then allow it to cool down completely. Now if you see that the mixture is very dry, there is very less mush. It is moist enough, but it's not like watery or something. So this is the perfect consistency that you need in order to make your puff pastries less soggy. So I'm going to allow this mixture to cool down completely and then use it to stuff the pastries.
Let's start by cutting the puff pastry sheets. I have already prepared some homemade puff pastries and I will link the recipe somewhere on the screen. Also, don't forget to check out my beef croquette recipe and egg puff recipes. That will also be linked on the screen or in the description box below.
So you can fold it this way or you can fold it into a triangle. Seal the edges.
Ingredients and recipe will also be mentioned in the comments below. Brush the chicken puffs with some melted butter or egg wash and sprinkle some white or black sesame seeds. Bake puffs in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then brush it again with butter or egg wash and bake for another 10 minutes to get the golden flaky crust. If this recipe brought back some memories or made you hungry, then don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do go and hit the subscribe button now. I'll see you all super soon with another interesting recipe and some more delicious Goan snacks and food. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.